Kit. Kit. Jeez. Luckily that door was shut.
Yeah. I don't know if she'd go out or not. She might do. Cats are inquisitive, but she'd also be a bit scared as well.
Yeah.
When she sees other cats, she's like, oh, oh. It's like she knows they're cats,
Yeah.
so she's a little bit wary of them. She's interested in them, but she's also very wary as well. Oh. Now she's meowing.
Because like she wants to go outside, right?
Not yet, you need your second jab. I think you're too small to get outside at the moment.
Yeah.
When she starts really like, if she comes straight to us when I call her, and she gets used to doing that, that's when I can let her go out, because I could be able to call her back then. But I mean, she knows. I'll call her, and she kind of knows and will come to me, but she's not fully up with it yet. She knocks everything over as well. So these are all my old skateboard mags from the 80s. They're worth loads of money now as well. Stupid, isn't it?
They've got a ton of collectible
Ridiculous
stuff.
Wow. Just bits and pieces. Oh, no, this is just the Vans shoes, isn't it? Where is it? Nah, there's only one.
Kit.
Where's Mr. Hosoi?
Kit. Where's she go?
She's behind the chair. She's going to come out in a tick. Oh,
Such a cute cat though.
She's gone running. Proper running.
Wonder where she's gone.
She's running the kid. Did she run back? Oh, front door. She's at the front door. She's having a proper run around.
Kit. Kit. That was really cute.
Meow.
Come on, Kit. What? She's off again. Oh.
That she will be. Here, there and everywhere.
She's like she's like one of those assassins where she just goes somewhere and then just disappears.
That she does. She wants to be into everything. She wants to know everything, see everything. Come here. Come on. Come here.